This is the consonant B. The name of the letter is B. B. Say the name of the letter with me. Ready? B. B. Good. What is the name of the letter? B. Great. The sound of the letter B is B. Watch the way it is pronounced.
B. B. B.
Now practice saying the sound of the letter B. Click on the letter to hear its sound and compare your pronunciation with mine. Click the next button when you're ready to move on. B. B. This is uppercase B. Type in uppercase B on the keyboard. Great! When writing uppercase B, this is how it is formed. Now you write uppercase B on your paper. Click the next button when you're finished. This is lowercase b. Type a lowercase b on the keyboard. Right. When writing lowercase b, this is how it is formed. Now you write lowercase b on your paper. Click the next button when you're finished. Let's review. The name of the letter is B. The sound of the letter is B. Click on the uppercase B. Very good. Click on the lowercase b. Great! Now you'll hear some words that begin with the sound B. Here are some pictures of words that begin with the sound B. Ball, bus, baby. Click on a picture to hear the word again. Click the next button to move on. Ball, bus, baby. Now say the words after me. Ball, bus, baby. Click on an object to select it and to hear the name of the object pronounced. Click on the object again to deselect it. Find the two objects in this room that begin with the sound B. Then click the Submit button. Book, ball. Great job! Find the two objects in this room that end with the sound B. Then click the Submit button. Crab, crib. That's right. Now look at this sentence. Click on all the consonant B's that you see. Good job! Now click the green Yes button if you hear a word that begins with the sound B. If not, click the red No button. Ready? Boat, boat. You did it! Banana, banana. Good job! Cat, cat. Right! Bag, bag. That's correct. Truck, truck. Great job. Boy, boy. Great! Now you will hear me say two words. If the words begin with the same sound, click the green Yes button. If the words begin with different sounds, click the red No button. ball, ant, ball, ant. That's right. Ball, balloon, ball, balloon. Nicely done. Ball, bear, ball, bear. Great. Ball, chair, ball, chair. Nice work. Bird, ball, bird, ball. Correct. Bird, bag, bird, bag. Good job. Bird, apple, bird, apple. Very good. Bird, banana, bird, banana. Nicely done. Bird, box, bird, box. Good job. Now we'll learn how we put sounds together. Let's put the first two letters we have learned, B and A, together. First the B and then the A. Ba. We call this a slide. A slide arrow is drawn left to right underneath the letters. This helps you slide the sounds together. It helps you develop fluency. This slide is ba.